What's up guys? Today I have devised a plan to spy on my girlfriend. As you can see here, I have a Traxxas Xmaxx and I have a Ballin HD dish that I have wired up here to essentially spy on her through the walls, and it picks up audio and visual. So let's check it out. So all I did here is wire this thing up with a handy dandy, this thing. And then if you bring it over here, I have my wires running in that runs to a Bluetooth module that essentially gives me live feedback. So we're gonna go and test and make sure this thing works. All right. We just gotta get to the window. All right, we gotta get up to the window. All right, I think we should get it from here. Okay, we have it here.
Yeah, girl. So it's like so big. I know, right? Like way nicer. So big.
No, it's true. It's true. Oh my God. No. You piece of junk. Alright guys, now we're gonna totally get rid of this $1,000 machine that I have built because I'm tired of it. Let's go. Not only is my heart broken, but my Xmaxx is broken and my dish is broken. I'm gonna have to go confront her right now. Hey, did you hear my Xmaxx outside earlier?
No, I don't know what you're talking about.
Well, I rigged it up so I could spy on you because I thought you were cheating, and now I have proof of it. I heard what you said. You said it's so much bigger.
What are you talking about? I was talking about the Max.
Oh, you were talking about the Max?
Yeah, have you heard about the Max?
Oh, you were talking about the brand new Max giveaway that we're doing on lifeofballin.com?
The Max.
You mean the Max?
The Max.
Oh, you mean the Max?
Max. Maximum fun. Our new t-shirts.
I understand now. You meant the Max. Maximum fun. And it was bigger because it is our biggest giveaway. This is our 20,000 subscriber giveaway. Win yourself a brand new red Traxxas Maxx with these brand new t-shirts that we just have designed. So for every $5 equals 10 entries, go win yourself a brand new red Max on lifeofballin.com.